Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 3 boys and a military spouse, and today we are doing a get it all done, pack with me before vacation. We are going to Tennessee for 3 days. By the time you see this video, we will have come back though, but we're going to Tennessee for 3 days for Chris's birthday. I'm really excited to go and to celebrate Chris's birthday. Last year he was deployed for his birthday, so it's going to be really nice being able to celebrate his birthday with him this year. And he's been really wanting to go to Tennessee, so I booked a surprise trip to Tennessee for his birthday and told him, figure out what you want to do, we're going. So with that being said, I have a ton of packing to do because, you know, we have 3 kids to pack. Well, Colby will pack himself and Chris will pack himself, but I have the younger kids to pack for. I have some laundry that I have to do. I've got to do my younger boys' laundry and then just like get my stuff organized. And then of course, like a little cleaning up here and there always has to be done before we leave. But I do have a house guest coming and staying because Miss Lola is staying at the house, and so my friend is coming and staying with her. So we do have somebody staying here, so I want to get the house pretty cleaned up and everything and organized and all that stuff, just get it ready for her. So we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning in this, a bunch of packing, some laundry, and organizing because yeah, we need to get organized for packing. I have to figure out too how I want to pack. Do I want to pack just one suitcase with mine and the 2 younger boys' stuff? Do I want to pack a small suitcase for them, a small suit? I don't know. We'll figure it out along the way. It's only 3 days, so we shouldn't have to pack a lot, but I'm an overpacker, I'm an overthinker, and I like to be prepared for everything. So this should be fun. With that being said, I have to answer this phone call. So let's get to doing some laundry.
It's the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
I had to put my hair up because I was a sweaty mess. It's hot as heck today, and I've been going to the garage to help Chris with like organizing the garage and coming up here and trying to work on laundry and doing this. But I'm just, you know, when you get in one of those moods and it's like you don't know what you want to wear? Like I'm just in one of those moods where it's like I don't know what I want to pack. I don't know what I want to wear. It is supposed to be, I looked at the temperature, it's supposed to be warm but kind of rainy and possibly chilly, so I really like have a wide spectrum there to really cover. So I don't know what it is, but I'm just like, can't figure out what, yes, Colby, you can come in. I can't figure out what to pack or what I even want to pack. So I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna take a little break and come back to this in a minute. I'll probably actually take a break, go fold the boys' laundry because it's in the dryer right now. It'll be done soon. Go fold their laundry, then reassess and get back to it.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
It has been such a long day. I'm very tired, but we're gonna get this packing done because we kind of have to, first off. And I'm definitely not gonna leave it for the morning because I would definitely regret that decision. So we're just gonna get it done now. But anybody else like me, I have to fold everything and put it away and then start packing. Like I feel like everything has to be organized and put away before I can start like packing everything. I don't know what it is. Let me know if you're the same way. It just makes me feel like, I guess, like it's easier to pack when everything's organized and put away and in its place. Because then the stuff that I'm picking through, right, is already put away. I don't know. Sounds like, you know, logistic sounds logistic to me. Is that the word? Logical to me. But I'm curious if I'm the only one who does that. So right now we are going to put away all of the boys' clothes, and then we will start sifting through the clothes to grab all of their stuff. This is only going to be a 3-day trip. Oops. This is only going to be a 3-day trip, so we won't have to pack that much. So shouldn't be that hard or that daunting. I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna put all of my stuff and the boys' stuff and whatnot all in one suitcase. Was gonna put Chris's in there too, but he wants to pack his own little bag, so he's gonna do that himself. But yeah. Well, I'm just so tired. I'm so tired. I know, like, getting, like, that's the only thing that sucks about, like, taking trips like this is, like, it can be super exhausting getting ready to, like, gear up to do stuff like this. But obviously, in the long run, it will 100% be worth it. So, that is what I'm reminding myself of right now. On a side note though, how is everybody doing lately? Is anybody else going on any trips in the near future? Got anything going on? Anything exciting worth sharing? Maybe you have a summer trip that you're planning for your family. Let us know in the comments down below what you have going on. Let's chat. Let's chat. All right, I'm gonna finish putting the last little bit of these clothes away.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why? Why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody.
All right, I think that's all I really need to pack, all I really need to do for now. I generally pack all of my clothes like the night before or the day before, and then the day of I do like toiletries, like makeup and deodorants and body washes and stuff, because obviously I need a lot of that stuff to shower in the morning, so can't really pack it now. So I think that's gonna be it for this. I know it was like super quick, short, simple, sweet, but it's only a 3-day trip, so we did not have a ton to pack. I fit pretty much everything for me and the boys in that suitcase. I literally just have like a toiletry bag. It's not very big that I will shove the little pieces of makeup. I mean, I don't have a lot of makeup that I use on a daily basis, so it's just a few pieces: toothbrush, toothpaste, contact solution, contact case, and that's about it. And I'll do mine and the boys all in the same like toiletry bag, and that'll be enough for everybody. And that'll get tossed in there along with my straightener, my hairbrush, and that's literally it. I try to keep it pretty simple. It's really hard for me to be simple on like clothes because I'm so indecisive. I never know what I'm gonna want to wear, so I usually pack, or like when I overpack like clothes and like shoes, depending on, you know, what mood I feel like I'll be in. But as far as like makeup and stuff like that, I keep it pretty simple. So with that being said, I'm not doing a vlog for this trip because it is Chris's birthday and he doesn't love being on camera. So I want to put the camera down and really live in the moment and be in the present and not have to worry about like filming or anything like that. I will do like stories on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, if you want to follow along on our trip, go ahead and follow me over there. My name is Becka Berry on Instagram. I always have it linked in the description box down below too. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and packing with me, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.